Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Samir Javed and today we'll be starting off with our tutorials for Microsoft Excel. We're going to start off with a simple formula, COUNTIF. So let's go to the functions tab over here. Let me just click it. So once you click it, it will open a dialog box where you can search for the formula that you're looking for. And you press go and you select COUNTIF, so it will pop up another window for you where it's giving the options what it will require for the formula to work. So it basically counts the number of cells based on the given condition that you give. So first I'm going to click. Let me just click on the cell that I need to apply the formula on. So first thing is the range. First we need to give where are the elements that we need to consider while applying the condition. So over here I will select the column or the list, the range where the details are residing, and then I'll click on the criteria and define what criteria I'm looking at. So one way is I'm searching for region 1, count of region 1. So one way is to write it down directly, and since it's a non-numerical value, so I have to put it in double quotes. As you can see, I've done over here. So you have to make sure that it's in the same way it's written in the range that you have given, because it will match the exact string that you are providing over here. Okay, another way of doing this is, let me just select this, is basically if you're counting something, you usually already have that written somewhere in your document. So in your sheet, for example. So what I did is I selected region 1, which is written in the same manner that it's available in the list, in the range. And that way I've given it a cell reference directly, B3. It will allow me to, in future, if the list changes, I'll just need to update this cell and it will apply automatically on the formula. And it will also avoid any grammatical or spell check mistakes. Since I had clicked it on this cell, so let me just redo it for our exact cell. So I'll click it over here, and I'll also help in showing you another way of applying the formula. We type equals to and select COUNTIF formula, give it the range. You can see that it requires two values. So to move on to the second value, I put a comma over here and then type down the cell where this information is residing. This B3 has the criteria. I want to search for region 1, so it's there written in B3. There you have it. Let's do the same for region 2. We click on the insert function, select COUNTIF, and give it the range. There you go. And in criteria, I will do the same thing that I did for region 1. I'll select the exact cell reference which will have that value and apply the formula. There you have it, folks. So you can see that it's a very simple function, and you have to apply a criteria below it. So basically you give it the range where you want to search for the criteria, and presto, that's where you have the results, and it will give you the count of these of the values that you applied. So there's another variant of COUNTIF. It's COUNTIF-S, which we will cover in our next video. I'll put in the description in my in the description field of the video, you can find the reference for COUNTIF S there as well. So it applies basically multiple conditions instead of one. COUNTIF only works for one condition. So until our next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.